actually today is a very fine day. In the morning time, your colleague also, your staff may be offered breakfast with milk, also biscuit and others. Therefore, today very hungry. Lunch is not available in this place because there is
Not
lockdown.
available.
Hotel is no opening. Therefore, something suffering. Also, you in the middle time, in the noon time, you have offered a red color tea also biscuit. I'm really satisfied for your colleague also for you. And you take my video, so I hope that you send to the another also India also Assam that the Gokulmoto is staying in Kutia. So something my the friend circle offered myself regarding lunch and sometimes dinner not regularly during the lockdown. Again, lockdown extended up to 6 days. I think that how can possible to stay here with their lunch and dinner. So you can help me sometimes also your colleague and locally friend circle. I think that will be able to offer some lunch also dinner and tea also and others. Thank you very much.
Welcome, welcome, welcome.